Hi, I'm Andrew Southern, and I'm here to teach you about engineering on behalf of United Way of Greater Atlanta. Today I will be performing a STEAM experiment called Clouds in a Cup. The materials you will need to do this are 1 glass jar with a lid, 1 cup of hot boiling water, blue food coloring, hairspray, and 3 to 5 cubes of ice. Clouds are made up of many water particles. They are formed when hot air particles rise and the pressure and temperature in the air reduces, resulting in the formation of clouds. We'll start with merging our food dye and hot water. And we'll mix it. After that, we will pour it into our jar till a certain point. There should be fine. Now we're gonna spray in the hairspray. As you can see, the clouds are starting to form.